What if I told you our entire galaxy is moving towards something we can't even see? Not just Earth, not just the solar system. The entire Milky Way. For decades, astronomers have tracked a mysterious gravitational force known as the Great Attractor. Hidden behind the dense dust and stars of our own galaxy, this cosmic anomaly is pulling hundreds of thousands of galaxies. Scientists estimate we're moving toward it at over 1 million miles per hour. Something unimaginably massive is out there, and for years, we couldn't even see it. But as mysterious as the Great Attractor is, it's far from the most dangerous thing in the universe. Imagine reality itself suddenly breaking. Physicists have proposed a terrifying possibility called vacuum decay. According to some theories, the universe may exist in a temporary state, a kind of cosmic balancing act. If that's true, a tiny region of space could one day transition into a more stable state. The result, a bubble of entirely new physics. And once formed, it would expand outward at the speed of light. Everything it touched would be instantly transformed. Atoms, stars, planets, galaxies. The most terrifying part, there would be no warning. Because the bubble would travel at light speed, you would never see it coming. One moment, reality exists. The next it doesn't. Now let's bring the danger a little closer to home. Somewhere in the universe, massive stars are dying. And when certain stars collapse, they can unleash one of the most powerful events ever observed, a gamma-ray burst. For a few seconds, a single burst can release more energy than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime. But if one happened relatively close to Earth and its beam pointed directly at us, the consequences could be catastrophic. Scientists believe an intense gamma-ray burst could damage Earth's ozone layer. Without that protection, harmful solar radiation would pour through the atmosphere. Thankfully, no known nearby star currently poses an immediate threat. And finally, the ultimate cosmic collision. Right now, the Andromeda Galaxy is racing toward the Milky Way. In about 4.5 billion years, the two galaxies will begin merging. Stars will be scattered. Entire solar systems may be displaced. The night sky would transform beyond recognition. Yet despite the violence of the event, direct collisions between stars would be rare. Still, the merger will reshape both galaxies forever. The universe is far stranger and far more dangerous than it appears.